Hi, Tom. That movie was so long.
I know, 3 hours.
And now I'm starving.
Starving?
Yeah, starving means very, very hungry. Like, I need food right now.
Oh, I'm starving too.
Let's get McDonald's.
Good idea. How do we order?
We can do drive-thru.
Drive-thru? What's that?
Oh, you stay in the car. You order at a window. No need to go inside.
Oh, so we don't get out of the car?
Exactly. It's faster.
That's cool. Okay, let's do drive-thru. Wait, should we call Sarah and Greg?
Oh, good idea. It's 9 p.m. They probably haven't eaten yet.
Haven't eaten yet?
Yeah, like they didn't eat dinner. Yet means still not.
Oh, so not yet means still waiting?
Exactly. They're probably still hungry.
Got it. Okay, let's call them.
Okay, I'll call Sarah first.
And I'll call Greg after. I'm driving, so...
No problem. You call Greg later.
Why me?
Because Greg talks a lot. I need a break.
Fine, fine.
Hello? Hey, Sarah. We're getting McDonald's. Want anything? Oh, yes. I'm so hungry. What do you want?
A Big Mac combo, please.
Okay. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium is fine.
And what drink?
Do they have orange Fruitopia?
I think so. Orange Fruitopia. Got it.
Wait, one more thing.
Yeah?
Can you make the Big Mac plain?
Plain? Okay, no problem.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem. See you soon.
So, what's plain?
Plain means no sauce. No ketchup, no mustard, nothing.
Oh, plain. Just the burger.
Yeah, Sarah doesn't like sauce.
Interesting. Okay, now I call Greg?
Good luck.
Hello. Hey, Greg. We're at McDonald's drive-thru. Do you want food? Yes. Oh, man, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat lunch today. Okay, what do you want? Big Mac combo, medium, Coke.
Okay. Big Mac combo, medium.
Wait, can you make the fries large and the Coke large?
Large? But you said medium combo.
He wants to upsize.
Upsize?
Yeah, change medium to large. Make it bigger.
Oh, so upsize the fries and Coke?
Yes, upsize. Make them large.
Okay, upsize. Got it. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks, man.
No problem. See you soon.
See, he talks a lot.
Yeah, but he's nice. And now I know a new word. Upsize.
Exactly. Upsize means make it bigger.
It's Greg again.
I knew it.
Tom?
Hi, Greg. What's wrong?
Sorry. I forgot something.
What?
Can you add a junior chicken?
A junior chicken?
Junior chicken is small chicken burger.
Oh, so add one junior chicken to your order?
Yes, added. Is that okay?
Yeah, no problem.
You sure? Did you write it down?
Yes, Greg, I remember. Upsize the fries and Coke. Add junior chicken.
The fries are large, right? Not medium.
Yes, large.
And the junior chicken is extra, right? Not instead of the Big Mac.
Yes, Greg. You get Big Mac and junior chicken.
Okay. Sorry. I'm really hungry.
It's okay, Greg. We got it. See you soon.
Thanks, man. Bye.
He's so worried.
He really loves food.
Yeah, but now we know. Upsize means bigger. Add means extra.
Right. Upsize and add. Got it.
Okay, what do you want?
I want Big Mac combo 2, medium, Coke.
Everyone wants Big Mac.
It's good. What about you?
I'll get a McDouble.
What's a McDouble?
It's like a Big Mac, but smaller and cheaper.
Oh, smaller burger.
Yeah, I'm not that hungry, and I want small fries and small strawberry Fruitopia.
Strawberry Fruitopia? That sounds good.
It's sweet, like strawberry juice. Very good.
Nice. Okay, so let me remember. Sarah wants plain Big Mac, medium, orange Fruitopia. Greg wants Big Mac, upsize, Coke, and add junior chicken. You want McDouble, small fries, strawberry Fruitopia, and I want Big Mac, medium, Coke.
Wow, you remembered everything.
I'm trying.
Good job.
Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Yes, we need, wait. Tom, how many Big Mac combos?
3. Sarah, Greg, and me.
Right. 3 Big Mac combos, please.
3 Big Mac combos. What size?
All medium.
Okay, 3 medium. What drinks?
What drinks again?
Sarah wants orange Fruitopia. Greg and I want Coke.
Okay, 1 orange Fruitopia and 2 Cokes.
Sorry, we're out of orange Fruitopia.
Do you have strawberry Fruitopia?
Yes, we have strawberry.
Strawberry? Is that okay for Sarah?
I think so. It's similar, right?
Yeah, both are sweet. Okay, change to strawberry Fruitopia, please.
Got it. 1 strawberry Fruitopia, 2 Cokes. Anything else?
Oh, wait. 1 Big Mac needs to be plain.
Plain?
Yes, no ketchup, no mustard, no pickles.
Okay, 1 plain Big Mac.
Greg wants large.
Oh, right. Can we upsize 1 combo?
Upsize 1 combo?
Yes, make the fries and Coke large, not medium.
Sure. Upsize 1 combo to large.
And add 1 junior chicken.
Add 1 junior chicken to that order?
Yes, add it.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, I also want a McDouble.
What size combo?
Small fries and small strawberry Fruitopia.
Okay, so let me repeat. 3 Big Mac combos. 1 is plain, 1 is upsized to large, 1 junior chicken added, 1 McDouble combo, small. Drinks are 1 strawberry Fruitopia, 2 Cokes, and 1 small strawberry Fruitopia. Is that correct?
Is that right?
Yes, that's everything.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $48.75. Please drive to the first window.
Thank you.
Wow, that was hard.
I know, so many things to remember.
But we did it.
Plain, upsize, add. I learned so much today.
McDonald's is a good teacher.
Hi, that's $48.75.
$48?
It's for 4 people, Tom.
I know, but that's expensive.
McDonald's isn't cheap anymore.
Okay, here.
Thank you. Please drive to the next window.
Thank you. $48 for McDonald's.
Welcome to 2025.
Here you go. 3 Big Mac combos, 1 McDouble combo.
Thank you. Can I check? Which one is plain?
The one with the sticker. It says plain on the wrapper.
Okay, got it. And the large fries?
It's in the first bag, the bigger one.
Perfect. And the junior chicken?
Oh, let me check. Sorry, one moment.
See? Even they almost forgot.
I know. Greg will be so mad if we forget.
Here's the junior chicken. Sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
We did it!
That was so complicated.
I know. 4 people, 4 different orders.
Plain, upsize, add, out of orange.
Yeah, so many things.
Next time, let's just eat inside.
Or tell them to order for themselves.
Good idea.
But hey, you did great today. Your English is really good.
Thanks. I learned a lot. Plain means no sauce. Upsize means make it bigger. Add means extra. Out of means they don't have it.
Exactly. See, McDonald's is a good English teacher.
Yeah, expensive teacher, but good.
True.
Okay, let's go home. I'm starving.
Me too. Oh, wait, we're still starving?
Yes, we ordered food, but we didn't eat yet.
Let's hurry home.